I'm here at South Jetty Beach, parking number 5. We're gonna go out and check out the beach. It's actually pretty neat. I'll tell you, I did this last night in the dark. It's super spooky trying to walk through this tall grass in the dark. You'll see why. Yeah, walking through here in pitch black dark's pretty fun. You never know if it's actually gonna come out. So I made the mistake last night of driving down here, a little further down. That's a pretty soft sand. I almost got stuck down on the beach last night. Thank God I could get a running start. Drive faster and drive up and out of there. I would reenact it, but I'm not trying to do that again. I could barely get off that beach. Just have to take my word for it. Closed for operations, summer maintenance work. Crap. Well, there it is, folks, Mount Hood, Oregon. And they're maintaining it. The Deschutes River, right? Deschutes. Yeah, Deschutes River in Oregon. Just standing here hanging out, and apparently I got some friends. You just hanging out, eat some grub. Down here at Pacifica Beach off of 1 in California. It's gorgeous. It's a nice day. It's kind of cool out. It's like 77, 75. Waves are great. Surfers are down there having a ball of a time. We're down here fishing. I'm gonna go down here and walk the cliffs. because I don't really care much for the ocean, because that will get me in trouble. Somebody's gonna have to rescue me. I go out there. So yesterday we were pounding around Rubicon Trail, and the Jeep definitely needs some attention, but it also needs to be gone through, sorted through. I still got mud in it from Moab and Colorado passes and everything else. The Jeep's a mess. And problem was I was having a hard time finding places to work on the Jeep. So I got a hold of a friend of mine in the San Francisco Bay Area. You might recognize him. Mr. Chili Frank.
Hey, what's up, people? Much love from Chili Frank.
So, met up with Frank. We're out here. Found a nice shady tree to work on the Jeeps, and we're going to try to give Sbrillias a little 10 or 11 care, because it's been beaten. So Frank had me come up here to Mount Tamalpais. It's pretty cool up here. The views are pretty stellar, except for we got this big cloud haze up here hanging off the top of this mountain. You can see these clouds for miles. It basically blanketed the whole landscape, whole Bay Area. So unfortunately the views aren't ideal, but it's a nice spot. Frank, he's down there. He took off on foot. I'm trying to catch up to him now. Supposedly we can see the beachfront, but I don't know with this blanket. We're walking down to check it out now. Let's see what we find. So yeah, apparently it's all blanketed by clouds. That's the Pacific Ocean of clouds. You can see the plane, but you can't see past clouds. So me and Frank came down here to the Golden Gate Beach to check it out. Haven't seen a beach in a while. It's not super busy, but quite a backdrop. Golden Gate Bridge in the clouds. You got Alcatraz over there. Pretty sunny day other than the big band of clouds.
That's a story.
This is the one right here. Ready? People live here. Idiot. Well, look down at the bay. Look at that. See that view down there?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that crazy? Hear my tires chirping on that?
Yeah.
The brick. This lady's getting their workout. I don't know if you ever drove a Gladiator before.
What's going on here?
They're probably doing some sort of race down the hill.
There is a lot of dispersed camping, a lot of them. So if you ever want to decide to stay up here, then at least send me a text and I know exactly what location you're at.
Dirt bikes. Eat dirt bikes.
Oh yeah, you'll see them up here. He got him as a Blazer, a Bronco, or a Toyota. I don't know. The other side. Okay, I'm here.
I can smell you.